application. Yeah. So day before yesterday, you're able to see this navigator, and in this you can see what all the different rows provided to this particular user. You'll be able to see. And in the tools, that day I was asking for you, right? Can you please confirm you're able to see this, both of
Yeah.
you? Yeah.
Yeah.
So see here. So these many different tools are available here. Okay. So whatever the level of access provided to the particular user, so that all credentials will be provided to this. You can see. So different areas and different modules. So in real time, basically, these are all will be provided to the individually. Let's say if somebody is the finance user, the financial roles will be provided. Somebody is the supply chain management user, so HCM roles will be provided. In the same way, HCM also will be provided. Okay. So my client group, these are all you can see. So new person, these are all you can say person management. These are all HCM related roles. Okay. So we can see how to do those all. So now first we will go and see this, click on the username, and you can see here we have the setting and actions. Okay. In this, let's say you can go to the set preferences. In this, you can see you have general preferences, some financial cloud related and all. Here in this, you can see, let's say if you forgot the username, means if you wanted to change your user ID or your password, so then you have to come here, click on the password. So if you know the current password, you can provide the new password. Okay. Here, if you wanted to change it, just simply, I'm just not going to change. I'm just telling you. So like this way, you can write the current password and provide the new password, and the same password you should confirm. This is generic thing. It's actually a self-explanatory thing. You know, every application we will change the password like this only, even it is Gmail or Facebook or any social media application, right? So this is the way you can change the password anytime. These are the basics actually. Initially, every user and consultant should know this. Okay. So this is one thing. Okay. You can also go to the My Photo. Okay. If you have your photo, you can attach here. Choose the file. You go to the file. You can attach the your photo here. Okay. These are all some basics we should understand first. So then, okay. So now go again in that. So then now you will be able to see here. Here, this is about this application, right? Click on this. The moment you click, you'll be able to see what all the different versions we have discussed yesterday, right? Start from the 11i and on-premise model. They have started in 1960s, inventory module, then material management system, and then ERP system. Okay. And then in ERP also, it was 11i. Then it was upgraded to R12. So now it is completely cloud model. So the cloud model also will have different versions. Okay. So now you can see 2025 we are in. Okay. We are in the first quarter, right? We have 4 quarters, right? So in the 2025 first quarter, we have the release 13 version. Okay. 13.25, you can say. So like this way, you can see here which version exactly is going on. Okay. And rest all technical information, what all the details you want, database and the functional level application versions and all, if anything is upgraded, will come here. And remember, we are using the cloud version. Okay. What is cloud and on-premise in detail level, we will go and understand. But we are using the cloud level. So this will be the latest one. Okay. It's not like that whatever we are using, this is the old one and we have some other. No, it is always, it will be latest one. Why? Because the cloud applications will be automatically upgraded to everyone. Unless until if your client is using the PaaS platform, that we will discuss what is PaaS and what is cloud, different categories. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay. So then this is how, if somebody wants the details, you can pick it from here, application details. Okay. So this is the thing. And then mainly we have to go to the setup and maintenance as discussed. This is a tool called FSM, Functional Setup Manager. Okay. So this is actually Oracle Fusion has a centralized ecosystem for the configuration of any system, any module. Okay. So, but whereas you can go to other old versions, in that you have to switch always different modules to configure. Okay. That will be a time-taking activity. So again, this is one of the advantage you can say in Oracle Fusion. So here you have, see, uh, financials and all procurement, and you can go to the workforce development. Go to the workforce development, you can see all legal structure and HCM data loader, workforce information, payroll, benefits, absence. Okay. So these are all you can configure from this HCM related. Okay. Now, and we will have the search area here. Okay. Whatever you wanted to search, you can search here. Yeah. Manage user, like this way, you can search. And here also you have some global search. You can go to the task. Okay. So from here also you can search any task if you wanted to. Let's say I'm going to search manage user again. So it will give you across the product what all the prefix which is having user, manage user, that all will give here. Okay. Always whatever you wanted to search, ideally you have to give manage as a prefix. Okay. But going forward, Oracle is also planning to change it. Without manage also you can search. But as of now, it's a global standard for Oracle Fusion. To search any configuration or any setup, you can come into the FSM tool and search with the manage. Okay. And you see here, it will give you what all is matching: tasks, task list, business objects. Okay. So task, these are all the different matches. You can, let's say if you don't want only one task. Okay. These are all the tasks. Like this way, you can go and select all. It will give you all functional area, objective, offering. So these are all will come. So anyways, so first of all, today we will see how to create projects. Okay. We'll kickstart from project. So in the same way, again, let me go back and come back again, just for your understanding. So today we'll see how to create project. First of all, we have to create project. Any implementation when it is starting. So your senior consultant or your project manager, he will create the project. Okay. How to create the project? I have to go again to setup and maintenance. And can go to the task and click on manage implementation project. The moment you click on the manage implementation project, you will be able to see this search area and search result area. So let's say I wanted to create one project. So let's click on create. The moment you click on create, the system will automatically give you some random name like implementation project 5. So here I need Kavya Corporation something company. One of my company's name is, let's say, Kavya. So I can give Kavya as prefix. Let's say Tata, Birla, Reliance, like this way. Okay. So why I'm not going to use it? Because usually people will already use in this vision instances. The generic names, ideally, Tata and all will be used by someone. So we will go with our name. Okay. one of our name from the team. So I'm taking Kavya. So let's say I need Kavya implementation project. That's all. So here, instead of implementation project, I wanted to, let's say, Kavya HCM. Okay. And then, okay. Now, I don't want this much lengthy name. I can remove this and just click on tab. The moment you click on tab, the same name will be copied to the code. Okay. And the code will be freezed. You should not change anything. So whatever the best practice is, whatever the system is giving, you should keep it as usual. And then you have to move forward. Just click once again on the tab. So here in the description, let's say I wanted to give complete name, Kavya HCM implementation project. Okay. So I'm not going to implement the entire as of now. This particular project I'm creating to assign some HCM consultant to configure HCM modules. Okay. Next, the moment you go to the status, click on tab and it will go to the status. So the status is not started. Okay. So then let it be. Anyways, once you have started, you can also change the status. Okay. Then go to assign to. So by default, system will assign to the user which you have logged in. Okay. So then let it be. If you want, you can change it. But let's say I'm going to keep it as usual. And now let's assume my project was started implementation. My implementation was started, let's say January 1st. Okay. Then I can change the date. And let's say ideally, approximately my tentative date, which is going to end my entire implementation, HCM implementation will be end by December 31st. Okay. Then this 12 months of period will be tracked by the system. So what is the scope of your project and how much configuration is done? So everything by default system will track and you can get the reports. At any point of time you wanted to see the progress, you can check. Okay. So then this is how the project management is also become easy in this Oracle Fusion implementation projects. So then the moment I have provided all the information, I need to click on next. The moment you click on next page, it will bring you to the next stage. And then what you have to do, let's wait. I hope you got it clearly. Do you have any doubt in this fields?
No.
Very simple. And you just need to understand. So like this way, let's say somebody is going to work. Let's say Tilak is a finance consultant and Kavya is a HCM consultant. So what I'll do, I'll create HCM project and I'll assign to the Kavya user. And Tilak will be implementing finance. So I'll create the finance project and I'll assign to the Tilak. So like that way. So, and now you see, we have reached to the next page. So here you can see what all you wanted to include. So to Kavya, what I wanted to give, this is a HCM project, right? So anyways, we have already taken this. So what all you wanted to take into the scope, okay? So you have to select the offerings. Oracle Fusion will provide the offerings, okay? Financial offering, HCM offering, supply procurement offering, and you can say projects offering. So here I just wanted to include the HCM related offerings. Okay. You see HCM communicate, I'll enable it. Here you just need to enable the checkbox. Okay. And let's say I'm going to enable workforce development. Okay. And workforce development, basic workforce development will include already. But now again, payroll also you want, your client is going to implement. Yes. So then you have to enable. Like this way, absence management. So all of this, whatever your client is going to configure, implement, what is the scope of your project, you have to include here. Okay. And then this is related to business intelligence tool. Okay. BI tools like Power BI and all. It is integrated. BI tools are there for the all modules here. From the Oracle itself, there is a BI tools available in Oracle Fusion ecosystem itself. There is no need of dependency on the other BI tools in the market. Okay, that's the major advantage of Oracle Fusion, you can say. So I'm just going to implement BI tools for all. Then, okay, rest all is included. Now, just check once again. If you are okay, then you can click Save and Open Project. Otherwise, let's say quickly I wanted to create finance project also, being a project manager, so you can create. But here I just wanted to conclude it and save and open the project. So I want to see the HCM project first. It will take some time. Now it is done. So now you can see this project. Okay. So implementation project, Kavya HCM. Okay. And the basic information is provided here. Project name is Kavya HCM. Code will remain same. And status, you can see if you keep cursor, it will show not started. Okay. Not started. And then it is assigned to the automatically to the same user. Okay. Now the start date and end date. Let's say if you wanted to edit any information here, let's say edit date, this finish date approximately, it is preponed date or postponed date. Okay, you can change it here like this way. Let's say October itself we are planning to go live. Okay, so let's say you can change the date. Okay, accordingly. Otherwise, now your work has been already started. Okay, so you have to change your status. So system will show you in progress if you take the in progress. Okay, once it is completed, you can come and say completed. Now you can change it to the in progress, and you can also change the username. Let's say some other user you wanted to assign this particular project, so you can go and search, and the username should be already existing. How to create the usernames and all we will see later. So like this way you can go and search and assign it. As of now I'm keeping it. So now you can change the name, but you cannot edit the code. Okay, code will be always remain same, and description also you can change. So wherever system is allowing, you can change it. So then click on save and close. That's all. So now you can see these tools. This is for adding any, select and add. This is to remove some particular option, and this is to freeze, and this is, you can say, you can detach here. So you can work, this visibility will be more clear in detached mode. So these are all self-explanatory, but still, and you can go to the actions. The same options will be here: remove, select, add, assign task, edit, status, record. These are all what are tools available. The options will be available in a characters. Okay, and view. And in columns, you have many columns here. Few columns here. You can add many columns like this way. Okay. So show all. If you wanted to hide something, you can hide from disabling the checkbox. Okay. So like this way, we have options here. So now you can see the symbol is also got changed. And now if you keep cursor, it will show in progress. So then you can say done. Now you can, any point of time, you can search with the Kavya name as a prefix. Kavya, right? Just
You have made a spelling mistake.
yeah, it was, we have to edit it like this way. we can edit. Yeah, but the code will not change. We have to remember. So you have to do it consciously while doing on production. So anyways, this is just training. So you can change it like this. So say done. Yeah. Now it is visible. Tab. Yeah. So this is how we can create the projects. So today we will stop here because I was just logged in 10 o'clock. Unfortunately, we have other session at 11 o'clock. So, but you can do the practice. And I'm just stopping the recording here. But if you are struggling to log in, please let me know. Just try now, Kavya.
Yeah, I tried 3
It
times.
logged in.
Authentication failed, actually.